Okay, ito yung open na highway from Bangkok, Thailand and to Pattaya, Thailand. So, ito yung open highway niya. And then, ayan, busy. 1:30 AM in the morning. So, busy ang open road, open highway. So, ayan. So, next week pa ako pupunta ng Philippine Embassy. And pag nakapunta ako doon, bibidyoan ko kung saan ang Philippine Embassy dito sa may Thailand, sa may Bangkok. From here in Pattaya, Thailand, mga 2 hours, 30 minutes to 3 hours ang biyahe from Bangkok, Thailand. So, nandoon yung parang center of all or city center, central of all shopping area dito sa Thailand. So, ayan, ito yung view dito.